There we go. All right. So this is a report that you're going to send out on a weekly basis. What I did was I just pulled up last week's report. You can see that at the top where it says 6/17/13. First thing to do is save it as the right date. So the last one was Monday through Sunday from the 17th, June 17th to June 23rd. Now we're looking at June 24th through June 30th as a reporting period, right? So it's 6/24. And that's it. Just hit save. Cool. Next thing you want to do is change the header. This seems like a really small step, but it gets like super confusing if we don't change it. So that's always something you want to do. The next thing we want to do is go to column B and just copy this. So just select all of those numbers in this row and select copy. Go to column D and do not paste, but paste special, and do paste special values. What this does is that actually powers this calculation right here, this week over week number. So this column is calculated off of the reports. So what it does is, for the number of clicks, for example, it goes to this traffic affiliate time span tab and it actually sums up those numbers. So when we update all those other tabs, it just automatically updates the number of clicks here. Cool? Alright, and then the next thing you want to do is, now we're just going to update these tabs. So you go to the affiliates tab down here, and you just select all and delete it. That's it, just clear the information. And then you go to Content Marketing World, the dashboard, and you just do a affiliates, manage affiliates. And all we're going to do now is just download the reports and copy and paste them into that document. So where it says on the top right, export to CSV, that's all you want to do. It exports it. I'm just double clicking it to open. Here it is. I do a select all, and then I copy it, go back to the report, and then just paste it. That's it. Okay, then you're done. You're done with this tab. Next one we want to do is the traffic tab. Same thing. Just select all of it. Delete it. Go back into here, and for this report we're using the affiliates report. So just go to reports, affiliate reports. What's important here is to make sure you change the start and end date. So start and end date to 17th again. Oh no, sorry, it's not. It's the 24th through the 30th. Is that right? Monday through Sunday. Yep. Same thing. Add use run report, export to CSV. Same thing. Paste in there. Again, that's it. Now, the next thing we do is the daily report. So this is the number of clicks and sales by day. Go back here, the reports, it's just daily report. Here it's a little bit easier because I think all we have to do is copy and paste it. So you take a look at the last day that's on here is the 25th. So we really want any data that was after the 25th. So we want from here to here. Okay, and then just copy, paste it. You may need to sort it. So to do that, you would just go up to data, sort. You sort by that column. Whoops. You want to make sure that where it says my data has headers, you want to make sure it says my data does not have headers. Because what you were trying to tell Excel to do is just sort the selection right here. You want them to sort by date, which is in column A. You want to sort it on the values, and you want to go oldest to newest. So you click OK. And then the last thing you have to do is this Trends tab, which is super easy. So all you want to do here, so what this tracks is the number of clicks, sales, and sales dollars every month, as well as week over week. So for the weeks, all you have to do is just now you can just go back to the dashboard. Uh-oh, it's broken. That's not good. Okay, well, I'll fix that in a second before I send it over to you. You also want to make sure, like sometimes it'll have that extra sum column right here. You want to make sure that's not there either. Okay, but for clicks, you just highlight all the clicks that are in the traffic report. And if you look down here on Excel, it'll tell you. So that's 830 clicks. So for trends, under clicks for 2013, you just add 830. Sales are 0. And the number of sales is also 0. And then all you have to do up here for the monthly is we just go back to this thing and we do affiliates report, and then we just run it for the entire month of June. View data for last month is July. One report. And then when you look at the bottom of it, it'll summarize everything. So we have 2,183 clicks, no sales. So 2,183, come back here, 2,183, 0 and 0, and that's it. Hit save. And that's it. Once you've done that, then the report just automatically updates. When I send it over to you, all these equations will be fixed, so you don't have to worry about this. It'll just auto-populate. And then here you would just type in, what you've done. So I would say, like, you spoke with Jonathan Krantz again. This is where you would write something about that affiliate who is having problems with the table, about the calls that you currently have set up, about the calls that you've already completed. You'd write about the July promotion, and you'd also write about the July newsletter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just delete this part. If you need to reference it, you can just look at last week's report, and then I will delete this part too, and then I'll have you update it from there.